Vincent Bumisiriza ojwekira batandikira ishomereri nagira ngo kiritirumba rugwa bijugwa cendero mu ishomero hamwe no gukora ku byo bwegese no kugira ngo abartandikire bakabanaga inyuma
kandi n'abandi n'ibyo batukero toki bakatereza ki bakataki abo bose ababera mu batuyemo twabashanga bona bakabajya mu biro umutahe ngwe twashanga ibishobora tuginde mukama wacu.
Schools which are seed secondary schools in Uganda are all over. But here in Karungu, we have that opportunity to have a seed school which has a. I thank you very much. Members, you can even clap for them.
And nobody doesn't have to checking on Shumbagay. We just, no. Ako mbushi hata na kuzamba gani huko chairman na kutabu wao hiyo kuka mjuru
Murugapo
na twapata humwe na dini yake naita muhammad
nimrushe
mkala ne wakwata mjuru bushisho dorende
tukwemera bwa nyuma yo kwetomba itokurwa mu bartandikire abarya habuciko baragana isoko rahanshongeji okureba nkarungu seed school yagaruka yakora kurungi
someone has to come here to seek a room is not the president Brumuntu wenda kijaha wabashasha kijaha state house kijaha na this is the school that made me fail to elect flag bearers for the MP.
So chairman ibyo kutumurungi ni twatwite ibyo kurungi tumanyangu government yo cyangwa ayo baka seed schools all over Uganda why not go.
Deho tuhire mukuru w'entebe ya Katana wa district ya Buheju ashabira abanyakarungu kureka kujwanze byo bwegese hamwe ne dini.
Abukuba number 1 muteko kwanza kuya mu kintu cy'idini. School cannot be, it must be universal. Kuko hano kurwego y'idini kibakiri ngwere ndege bakustayo ndege bachi.
abanyakarungu nimwe muratumye Karungu yakuri tarabana either or nimudipolokora misa ningana mujibwisi
Ishomerera katanduka mu mwaka gwa 1999 government ya rutwara mu mwaka 2009 kandi obwatiriye nabegiga na 2001 bonka gashakwa Juliet Charsima.